Do you suffer from back pain? Here are 5 easy yoga poses that you can do in the comfort of your home to relieve back tension. Starting in child's pose, begin on your hands and knees on your mat. Drop your glutes to your heels and extend your hands to the top of your mat. Center your breath. Take a nice deep inhale. As you exhale, walk your hands to the right side of your mat. Breathe. Inhale. And as you exhale, walk your hands to the left side of your mat. Deep breath in. Exhale. Slowly walk your hands back to center. Gently moving into our cat-cow posture, palms under shoulders, bring yourself to tabletop. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round your back, press the floor away. Inhale, chin high. Exhale, round your back. Inhale and exhale. Moving into thread the needle as you're in tabletop. Drop your left shoulder down to the earth. Slide that left arm under your chest. Take a nice deep breath in. As you exhale, press the floor away. Then drop that right shoulder down to the earth, sliding that right arm under your chest, twisting your body to the left side of your mat. Take a nice deep breath in. As you exhale, press the floor away from you. Tuck your toes. Shift your hips up, transitioning into downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in. Slowly walk your hands towards the middle of your mat. Take your left hand and grab your right ankle, twisting your body to the right side of your mat. Deep breath in. As you exhale, take your right hand and grab your left ankle, twisting your body to the left side of your mat. Gently release, shifting back into downward facing dog. Deep breath in. Exhale, shift forward, lower yourself all the way down to the earth. Pressing the floor away, lifting your chest up off the earth. Inhale, exhale, tuck your toes, shift yourself back into our final posture of child's pose. And give yourself thanks for being here now. Namaste.